automatic na kasi. 'Cause I don't have the right. We don't have the right, honestly. We don't have the right to feel like that towards them. Uy, yung short mo.
Okay?
Oo nga po. Therese is here.
Yeah.
Lol. Oops.
Sinadya niya yun. Kita ko siya.
Alam mo bang nagulat yung buong pagkatao ko? Nag-init siya.
Sorry. Hindi, bala ko sana. Ipaganon lang. Tapos bigla na
What if pumunta dapat sa mata ko yun?
over.
Over ba?
Nag-toothbrush ka na, Kai?
Oh,
Let's go.
magkaugali nga tayo. Wala kang pakialam. Hindi nila din deserve.
Pinili mo siya. Pinili ko din.
Dapat pinili nila.
naman din. Pinili ko po ang dalawa kong sarili, si Saf at si Nicola.
Di ko na alam. Siguro nababaliw na ako.
Ako siguro,
Mababaliw ka na din.
sa akuan lang, sa totoo lang, siguro ako, hindi ako nakaisip na parang unfair or something. Kasi feeling ko din na pagandaan ko din itong mga ganito, mga ilang araw na. Sabi ko, pagandaan ko talaga ang mga darating na susunod na mangyayari. Kaya siguro, nung nakaraan, parang after na lumabas ni Jaren, doon pa lang sa ganyan namin ni JP, hinanda ko na talaga yung sarili ko, kaya siguro hindi ako masyado nag-isip na unfair or
Unfair. Unfair talaga. Trollable.
siguro unfair, hindi siguro unfair talaga kasi nga sabi mo nga na aircon sila, tsaka tayo ang totoong housemate, gano'n. Tsaka sila Binsoy.
Yain na.
I don't think so. I think it's just fair.
No, it's not.
I think it's just fair.
Bahala ka na sa buhay nyo, kung ano naman yan, desisyon nyo naman yan eh.
It's fair.
Sa iyo, hindi. Sa kanya, fair. That's all. Huwag nyo nang ipakomplicate yung mga buhay-buhay nyo dyan kung hindi naman unfair. Kung unfair naman,
Did we come inside to have to have every bit of convenience? I never came inside to feel so good. Parang yun lang. Like, just in my car. Kasi, if you think about it, what if this house never had aircon? Never had like, ganon. Then,
Hindi ko naman sinasabing unfair yung may aircon sila tayo wala. Yung sitwasyon ba?
na, they get to, sila Kuya JM and Kuya Binsoy?
Hindi, wala sa
no.
kanya.
What do you mean?
Tayo dito, itong higaan, itong lamesa, ito ang kainan, yan ang
Sitwasyon hindi aircon or ano. Ang babaw naman kung aircon.
No, it's just,
tapos nauulanan tayo pag natutulog.
Tapos yung spot. Hello.
Tapos mga damit natin.
Yun yung sinasabi kong unfair.
Isa lang panty mo, wala ka pang skincare. Hindi tayo kompleto lahat ba?
but sila,
sinasabi na
kompleto
yun.
yung sa kanila.
Oo.
Kahit di sila housemates.
Oo.
Tapos, mayroon pa silang chance na makuha spot. Unfair.
Kasi, iba kasi, oo, it is unfair if you think about it that way. But really, if you think of it in a different perspective, parang it's fair. I feel like we've stayed here for so long, dapat kailangan din natin maranasan to rent. If we really deserve our spots, I feel like we have to deal with this. Kasi maraming matutunan dito. Kahit ako nga, I also want my skincare, I also want my clothes. I want, the normal thing, again. Pero, di ako nagko-complain kasi, it's part of being a housemate din. Parang, ito yung this is what Kuya made us do for a reason. And, parang ayoko magsabi na, I want it back. Kasi, that's part of what Kuya wants us to learn. So, it happened for a reason and alam ko naman that Kuya made it fair. Di lang natin alam yet, but for the greater, the greater total of it all, it's fair. Di lang natin alam yet because we're uncertain of what's gonna happen pa.
Pero,
Also, it's Monday pa. No, don't worry.
pero, ang kaibahan lang natin, iba-iba tayo mag-isip, iba tayo. Yeah.
We all have
Siguro,
different perspective.
siguro hindi natin maintindihan si Kai or sometimes maintindihan natin siya. Pero kasi may iba-iba,
Sorry.
kasi may iba-iba kasi
Pagtutbrush ka
tayong,
na?
may iba-iba kasi tayong perspective sa sitwasyon ngayon. Ako, hindi nga ako masyadong nag-aano kasi okay lang naman ako. Hindi ko nga naisip na unfair, hindi ko nga naisip na kuan pala, ganito pala. Kasi iba din ang perspective ko, iba din ang kay Fiang, iba din sa'yo, iba din kay JP. So, yun lang, at least, kuan tayo ba, na open tayo sa mga ganito. At least, marinig natin ang mga side, may makuha tayo na, okay, ganito pala, kaya
Linis muna ako ng katawan.
magkuhan ka, punas ka? Ikaw na lang.
Because I don't think Kuya did this kasi he wants us to feel this way. Of course, part of it is because he wants to make us feel this way, but also for us to realize something. Kaya,
So
Hindi
feeling this
lang-
way, it's just a
hin-
process.
Kung ano lang, kung sa buhay, hindi parating masaya, ay hindi parating masarap ang buhay, may ano talaga na ganito.
I
So again,
guess,
I just found it normal kasi entering this house, alam naman natin puro challenges.
yeah,
So this one, challenge lang to.
yeah.
And hindi naman siya super challenging if nasa labas tayo tapos walang tao sa loob. Mas challenging siya kung may masarap na buhay dun sa loob. So, at the extreme.
I guess for me, when I knew that this was gonna happen, that we were gonna stay here, remember when we were told to vacate? Sinabi ko doon, dito na tayo titira. It already processed in my mind na kasi. So parang, I guess, ganito ko na iniisip yung sitwasyon because I already thought of it ever since we vacated. Kaya ayun, I understand.
A way
the
to
point.
make this easier
Ako din,
is to think, ang unang gagawin natin, let's be comfortable. Let's just, enjoy it.
ang ako din, actually matagal ko na siya pinaghahandaan sa mga, na
Yeah, we kept saying, no? Second week naman.
madating tayo dito ba, hinahanda ko lang talaga yung sarili ko. Lalo na nung, na lang tayo, 10. Lalo na yung teens adult. Yun. Siguro, nagpa-process pa ako nun na parang gusto ko nang i-apply na maging ready. Pero it takes time to be ready, Jude.
Iba-iba naman tayo pag-take nun.
Hanggang sa naabot tayo dito. At saka ito, hindi ko nga napansin na parang unfair or hindi lang talaga ako masyadong naging aware sa paligid ko or sa mga nangyayari. Siguro, ko lang siguro na tatak ko na siguro sa isip ko na maging handa lang. At syempre, maging focus, ganun.
Yeah,
Kasi,
because it only gets harder naman.
yan talaga ang wala sa akin. Mas pinufulfill ko yung mga bagay ba sa sarili ko na hindi ko kayang hindi ko kayang ma-process good kaagad.
Oo.
Kaya nung mga habang palit ng palit tayo, doon ko din siya pinaprocess na dapat maghanda kasi palit ng palit, pahirap ng pahirap din. So, kailangan ko talaga siyang gawin.
Different din kasi tayo how fast we process emotionally. Kasi, meron tao na, like this, you just tell them, like this, tapos, yesterday, ganun lang. I guess I already processed it. Kasi parang, aside from I expected it, yung gamit. Remember how small our stuff were? Then, most of us were like low-key complaining, right? Kasi ang liit ng stuff, di pa kompleto. But, dun ko na-process actually. I already processed it there.
Ako din.
Yun na yun.
Ako din.
We're gonna have to deal with it talaga.
Let's just deal with it.
Oo.
Mas mahirapan tayo kung reklamo lang tayo.
Yeah.
We should just adapt.
Yeah. I feel like you also have more fun when you just deal with it, get comfortable. You'll enjoy even more. rather than complaining all
Ako
the
nga
time.
nung process ko sa emosyon ko, matagal-tagal din. Mga, ano na siguro, mga 9 week na ata bago ako na-process. Ay, 8 weeks na may mga lumabas na ba? Liit na lang tayo. Diba dati, iyak ng iyak.
Oo, ako din. I remember every
Ngayon,
time I get asked.
Ha? Ako?
Hindi. Sa, di ba, confession room?
Ngayon,
Sometimes
ako
i-ask
ngayon,
Hindi na ako
at lalo na pag
Oo.
pag may naglabas, hindi na ako naiyak.
akala.
Kasi natatak na din sa isip ko.
Pag may lumalabas,
Kung mag-emosyon ka na naman, baka may gawin naman na napabigla-bigla, hindi ka ready kasi emosyonal ka. Alam mo, kada labas, nire-ready ko talaga ang sarili ko. Lalo na nung kinuha ni JP yung red na
You see the things most people don't. Not in that way. In a way that just happened kanina. Not everyone can do that. But just the way that you understand me. Of course, you see
everyone
the
nodded, bro.
Sorry?
Everyone nodded there.
Nodded?
They understand. They understand me. Ikaw lang yun. You know what made me hate it? You saying what loudly. What? Shut up.
When?
Kanina.
Hindi. Just kanina. Like, literally 6 minutes ago.
Ay. Oh.
Diba?
Now?
Unya lang.
I always do that. Pero, alam ko kasi how it's gonna be perceived. And since I already thought of it, I shouldn't just say it kasi na-say na. Sometimes I just look at it like that. Tapos nagigets mo. Diba?
I don't.
Exactly, Rain. Sometimes I just look at something or make an expression and you get what I mean. Huh? Kahit ikaw. Even I understand.
You know talaga, before you ask, how did I get ice cream? I was also thinking, like, a day before, I was like, how did I get ice cream? How did I get it?
I don't know.
Did you explain?
No. Even, I just made it up on the spot. Kasi I had to change it. Pero, oo.
It's probably gonna be decoded and
But, Rain, legit. This is scary.
How do you
actually.
feel it? How do you feel it? How do you feel about it? Na ikaw yung pinili ko. Do you feel like you don't deserve it?
I feel like I don't. But also, I feel like I do. Do you understand?
I just know that was your answer talaga.
I feel like I do. But considering the people around here, the people being up for options, tapos, considering them, what other people